Hello po, online world. Ayan, let's unbox this package. It's Choice. Ayan. Choice from Lazada. So, let's open it. What is inside? Come on. What is your guess? What is this inside?
Mouse. Sabihin ko
Here's
yun.
Ilias, and here's Giddy, and me. Welcome to our vlog.
Oh, help.
So, ayan, open na. Oh, excuse me. One at a time. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open. Ta-da!
Open it.
Okay.
It's a
Slowly. So, look, it's a mouse.
There's more mouse.
Okay, mouse. And
And
what is that?
It's page.
Oh, ito po yung pang-cover sa ano po, para hindi madust yung ating keyboard.
Nanay. What is this
Ayan.
long thing?
Ang tawag niya ay Notebook Keyboard Protector. Ayan. And then,
Ano naman ito?
this one naman ay, let's check what it's inside. Gidi, wag mo sirain. Tada!
What is this?
It's a laptop stand. So,
Laptop.
oh, excuse me.
Kailangan mo lang gaganyan.
So, ayan po siya. I-adjust natin. Ayan po. Kung anong level po yung ating laptop. So, ganyan. So, ayan, may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 level.
Wow!
Anak, give it to me. Let's try it. So, ayan po ang ating package. So, let's keep it and then let's try it. So, ito po yung pinaka-highest, level 12. So, masyado siyang mataas. Ano ba yun? Ayun. So, ito po yung ating laptop. Maraming salamat po. Nakabili tayo ng laptop para po sa ating abot kamay na pangarap.
Ang galing!
So, ayan, yung ating cellphone. So, nagwa-watch, nagsusupport ng ating mga kaibigan. So, ayan, loading po ang aming internet connection. Tapos, gamitin na po natin itong ating stand, laptop stand. Ayan. So, ayan, ganun ba yun? Ganun ang paggamit.
Mali.
So, ibababa lang natin siya, mga level 3. Ayan, level 3 lang kasi malilikot yung aking mga kiddos. So, let's put the laptop here. Like that.
I cannot see it.
So, it's like that para makahinga yung ilalim ng ating laptop. So, there you go. Ayan po yung ating laptop. Nakaano na siya, nakaangat na. Kasi, meron na siyang stand. Ayun. Ayun yung stand nga. Nailagay na po natin. And then, ayan po yung reason why kung bakit hindi kami makapag-live always. Kasi, yung aming internet connection is, ayan, loading much. So, kasi na ba ang ating, ayun. So, exit natin yung full screen and then we will come back here. Ayan. So, isa lang yung ano natin mailalagay dito sa laptop. So, ito yung ating mouse. Quiet mo yan, kuya, kasi maririnig dito sa aking video, please. So, ayan yung ating mouse. Gawin natin sa ating mouse. I-shoot na rin natin para matry natin kung gumagana ba siya. Ayan. Maraming salamat po kasi ito po ay malaking ambag sa ating abot kamay na pangarap. So, ayan yung ating mouse. So, ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan ito isushoot. So, let's find out where is the right, right plugging. So, ayan po yung ating, in the electric panel ko din po yung aking, ayan yung laptop. Para po, hindi siya mag-overheats. Ganun. So, ayun, support lang po pag may time. Shoot ba? Tama ba? Dito ka ba? Ayun. So, na-shoot ko siya. Setting up a device. We're setting up USB optical mouse. So, ayun. Sabi ng ating laptop, it's okay daw. Na, ayan, may light na siya. So, let's try it kung gagalaw ba siya ng left and right. So, ayan yung ating mouse. Nasaan na ba? Wow, ang galing! So, effective ang ating laptop. Ay, ating mouse. So, ayan, nagmo-move siya. Ilipat natin dito. Ayan. Nag-move po siya. Ayan po. Kaso, hindi natin na ibalik yung... Wait, anak! So, ayan lang po ang ating video for today. Flex ko lang yung ating laptop na ating kaagapay sa ating abot kamay na pangarap. Oh no! What's happened? We're having trouble loading your feed. Oh no! Anak, excuse me! Sus, Ginoo, what's going on? Anak, that's not a toy. Look, my screen is not okay. Oh my. So, that's all for today's video po. Bye-bye. Bye po. Oh, you make bye-bye. Bye. Thank you for watching.